The tech world is currently obsessed with the giant screens and the Pro Max powerhouses, but while everyone is looking at the horizon, something massive is happening right in the palm of your hand. For years, Apple treated the iPad mini like an afterthought, a secondary device left to gather dust between infrequent updates. But the silence is about to be broken in the most aggressive way possible. We are officially on the doorstep of the iPad mini 8, and if the latest whispers from Cupertino are even half true, this isn't just a minor refresh. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. It's a total reimagining of what the world's most powerful small tablet can actually do. If you've been holding on to your older mini, or if you've been tempted by the massive foldable phones hitting the market, you need to stop. Because the iPad mini 8 is about to make every other portable screen look like a relic of the past. Think about the current landscape. We live in an era where phones are getting bigger and tablets are trying to be laptops. But there is a Goldilocks zone, that perfect middle ground where a device is small enough to hold with one hand while drinking coffee, yet powerful enough to edit 4K video or run AAA console games. That is the soul of the iPad mini, and with version 8, Apple is finally leaning into that power. The biggest frustration with the mini has always been the jelly scrolling and the aging display technology. We've heard the complaints, and more importantly, Apple has heard them too. The iPad mini 8 is rumored to finally bridge the gap between the portable, casual, tablet and the pro workflow. Let's talk about the heart of the beast. For the first time, we are looking at the potential of an M-series chip landing in the mini. Imagine the sheer, unbridled power of an M3 or even an M4 chip inside a chassis that fits in your jacket pocket. We're talking about a device that can outperform most Windows laptops while you're sitting on a subway or lounging on a beach. This isn't just about opening apps faster. It's about Apple intelligence. With the new AI era upon us, the iPad mini 8 is being positioned as the ultimate portable AI companion. Whether it's real-time language translation, advanced generative image editing, or Siri actually becoming the personal assistant we were promised a decade ago, this hardware is being built to handle the future of computing. But power is nothing without a window to see it through. The display on the iPad mini 8 is where the most forced upgrades are happening. The rumors of a 120Hz promotion display have been swirling for years, and the pressure on Apple to finally deliver is at an all-time high. Competition from high-end foldable phones is fierce. If Apple wants to keep the mini relevant, they have to give us that buttery smooth scrolling. Imagine reading your favorite digital comic, sketching with the Apple Pencil Pro, or gaming at high frame rates without a single hint of lag. This isn't just a luxury anymore. It's a necessity for a premium device in 2026. Beyond the screen, the design language is shifting. We're looking at thinner bezels, a more refined chassis, and colors that actually feel pro. But it's the integration with the Apple ecosystem that will keep you watching. With the new Apple Pencil Pro features, the squeeze gestures, the haptic feedback, and the Find My integration, the iPad mini 8 becomes the ultimate digital notebook. It's for the architects who need to sketch on site, the medical professionals who need a powerful reference tool in their pocket, and the gamers who want the best handheld console experience on the planet. Why are people so loyal to the mini? It's because it's the only device that disappears when you don't need it and dominates when you do. Unlike the iPad Pro 13-inch, which requires a bag and a keyboard to feel